My family and how I would describe them in English. Hello, everyone. How are you? Today, I want to talk about a very special top topic for me, uh, my family. Uh, Besides being something personal, it's also a great topic for learning English because it helps us practice vocabulary about family relationships, adjectives, and everyday expressions. Uh, my family is small but very close. Um, we are simple people, strong in uh, character, uh, but with a kind uh, heart. We always uh, support each other, and even uh, though we sometimes agree, the love between us is always there. Um, I have my parents, and I remember my grandparents with a lot of love. Uh, they were wise, hard-working people, and very important in my life. My parents are calm, uh, responsible, and very dedicated. My mom is caring, patient, and always looking out for everyone. My dad is a bit more serious, but also very generous and protective. I also have siblings or uh, cousins, depending on your child, with whom I share many good memories. It's really funny this this sentence. Uh, some are more outgoing, others more reserved, but each one has a special personality, and that's what makes family unique. Uh, if I had to describe my family in English, I would use words like loving, uh, hardworking, uh, support, supportive, funny, and strong. I could say that my family is very important to me because they truly are. I also say that we always help each other since uh, we're there for one another no matter what. Uh, we don't always agree on everything, but we are not perfect, just very close. And one of the most valuable things I've received from them is that they have uh, uh, taught me many life lessons. Talking about my family makes me feel grateful. Every day I try to appreciate the time I spend with them because I know that nothing in life uh, lasts forever. And honestly, it feels really nice to practice English by talking about something that comes uh, straight from the heart. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know in the comments what your family is like and which word you would use to describe them in English. See you in the next one.